What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tutorial Tuesdays, and today I'm going to be showing you how to Diablo. Now, the Diablo consists of the Diablo itself and the hand sticks. Now, the hand sticks are connected by a string just like so. I'm going to show you how you guys can get started and get your Diablo going. First, start on a flat surface, hold a hand stick in each of your hands, and put the Diablo on the string. Then roll the Diablo to your dominant side, and then roll it towards yourself while lifting the Diablo in the air, and with your dominant hand, start making yanking motions nice and slowly. This upward yanking motion will keep the Diablo spinning, which will keep it straight on the string. In real time, it looks like this. If you notice that the Diablo is starting to turn, you can move your body accordingly to make sure that the cup is facing towards you. If you notice that the Diablo starts to tilt forwards or backwards, you can move your dominant hand in the opposite direction to even it out. So if you start to notice that the Diablo is tilting forward, you can move your dominant hand a few inches back, and then it'll even it out. The same is true for the opposite. If the Diablo starts tilting backwards, you can move your dominant hand forward, and then it will even out. Now here's the same thing, but from the side view, so you can really see the Diablo starting to tilt backwards, and me putting my left hand forward to compensate for that. And again, if it starts tilting forwards, then you move your dominant hand back. So that's about it for getting your Diablo started. If you guys want to see any more future tutorials for the Diablo, like any tricks and stuff that you want to try, I'd love to make a video on that. So please, if you want to see that, please let me know in the comments or leave a like on this video. It would help me out a ton. So thank you guys for watching. I put out a new video every single Tuesday and every single Friday. Each Tuesday is a Tutorial Tuesday. So if you want to watch more, please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.